Here with Osprey Printing, my name's Devin. Today we're printing a logo on a customer's t-shirt. As you can see, we got the logo behind me. So let's get ready to print this logo on the t-shirt. Now the transparency is done, so let's get to printing the shirt. So now we're gonna burn the screen for 20 seconds. Ready? Now it's burnt, we're gonna run it through the washout booth. So now we're rinsing it, and then after I'm done rinsing, I gotta spray it really hard to get the paint out of it. So now we got most of it off, so let's finish it up. I'm checking for any spots, make sure there's no spots. As I'm looking, I don't see no spots, so we're good. So now we're gonna take it to the basement and hit it with the air compressor. Alright, so now we got it all dried and ready. So now we're going to put tape on the area that the ink's going to seep through. So now we got the tape all on the screen. So now let's put some ink on there. So now we're going to scoop up the ink. Now that the shirt's lined up, now I gotta print the shirt.
Yeah.
And that's how you screen print. Make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you drop a comment for more tutorials. We out.
That was lit.